Does a car have a motor or an engine?
Most cars still have an engine. And planes are powered by engines too.
What's the difference between an engine and a motor?
An engine runs on fuel, such as diesel or petrol. And a motor is powered by electricity. A motor consists normally of a rotor and a coil. Home appliances are powered by a motor. There are some devices, such as solar-powered calculators, whose solar cells convert the sun's rays into electricity. A hybrid car has an electric motor and a gasoline engine. Maybe in the future there will be cars with a motor or a battery powered by the sun.
Impressive.